How to transfer crypto from Bybit to Bingx in mobile applications. First of all, go to Assets and choose the account on which is crypto which you want to transfer. For me, it's funding. And I will transfer USDT. So after choosing the needed coin, press withdraw. Address we will copy in Bingx application. For now, let's skip it. And choose the network. I always choose BEP20 as commission is the lowest. After that, choose amount which you are going to transfer. And here you have option again to choose the account from which you will withdraw spot or funding. Now let's copy address in Bingx application to which we will send our crypto. After opening application, press More, Deposit, select a coin which should be the same as you chose on another crypto exchange. And right now, very important moment, you need to choose the same deposit network. Otherwise, your money might be lost. I'm choosing BEP20. And here we received wallet address which we need to copy. Return to Bybit and paste copied address. I recommend you to double check if address copied correctly. It might be enough to check just last 4 symbols. F4D2. F4D2. Return to Bybit and press withdraw button. Once again, you can check all the details and press confirm. After that, you will need to pass security verification, which contains 2 steps. You will need to paste code which you will receive to your email and the one from Google Authenticator. Press get code. You will receive it to your email, copy and paste into proper field. Then go into Google Authenticator. If you didn't connect it yet to your Bybit, choose the video I will leave in the description to get the quick instruction how to do it easily. So go to Google Authenticator and copy code. Press paste and confirm. Your withdrawal application has submitted successfully and it is in process, which will take few minutes. Once the process is finished, you will receive confirmation emails from Bybit and from Bingx. After receiving money to Bingx, you can use them directly to trade crypto or you can put them to deposit. By the way, right now there is a possibility to put USDT on deposit with very high percent, 18%. Can you imagine? So don't lose this possibility. It will last during few more days. On Bybit, there is also possibility to have deposit with 15%. Which is also very good comparing to any bank. Around 2-3 minutes passed and we already received our deposit. Here it is on Bingx. To use the deposit possibility which I mentioned before, go to Wealth and choose Fixed Term U011 option to put your USDT for 7 days deposit with 18% yield. Press subscribe and choose the amount which you are going to put. After that, press subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the like under this video as I gave you very useful information. And if you want to receive more interesting and useful videos, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.